Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A major advancement in the field of long-haul and expedited freight is represented by the idea of a Volvo VNL Expedite Truck, which is specially constructed with a complete kitchen and toilet sleeper, turning a practical truck into an independent, upscale mobile home. The increasing need for driver comfort, efficiency, and autonomy on the road is demonstrated by this specialist rig, which frequently commands a price point of about $360,000. The Volvo VNL series, which is well known for its aerodynamic design, fuel efficiency, and numerous safety measures, serves as the basis for this distinctive car. The VNL is the perfect base for a custom conversion because of its sturdy chassis and dependable powertrain. A professional's office is transformed into a home away from home by replacing or greatly enlarging the typical sleeper cab to create a completely functional living room. The inclusion of a complete kitchen is this custom VNL's most notable feature. This area is furnished to enable gourmet meal preparation, in contrast to the basic microwaves and freezers found in typical bedrooms. Usually, it would have a full-size refrigerator and freezer, a convection or microwave oven, a multi-burner stove, and a sink with running water. Drivers may cook and store their own meals thanks to ample counter space and specially designed cabinets that optimize storage and functionality. This not only improves diet and health, but also drastically lessens dependency on expensive and frequently unhealthy truck stop cuisine. The private bathroom's inclusion is also amazing. For long-distance truckers, this is revolutionary since it provides a degree of solitude and cleanliness that is not possible with a typical truck. Usually, the bathroom would have a shower, basin, and toilet that are all small enough to fit within the enlarged sleeper. As a result, there is no need to make frequent trips to public restrooms, which saves time and improves well-being and security. The remainder of the sleeper consists of custom living space outside the kitchen and bathroom. A residential-style mattress, which offers exceptional comfort for restful sleep, is frequently used for the bed. In addition to ample storage options for apparel and personal belongings, there would be a cozy lounge or dinette area for unwinding and dining. The room is not only practical but also truly cozy and enjoyable thanks to contemporary features like a big screen TV, a top-notch sound system, and dependable Wi-Fi connectivity. Such a conversion involves intricate engineering that calls for specialized understanding to combine HVAC, electrical, and plumbing systems without sacrificing the truck's functionality or safety. All of the appliances are usually powered by a huge battery bank and a sturdy inverter, which are frequently complemented by a diesel generator that runs quietly. The $360,000 Volvo VNL Expedite vehicle with a kitchen and bathroom sleeper is essentially a mobile home intended for a particular need, not merely a vehicle. It is a tool that makes long-distance driving more sustainable and controllable by enabling professional drivers to work more autonomously, comfortably, and efficiently. It offers a peek of the future of trucking, where the welfare of the driver is of utmost importance and represents the height of elegance and functionality in the accelerated freight sector.